Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Daily House, where we turn your dream home into reality. One room at a time. I'm absolutely thrilled to share today's summer farmhouse journey with you. We're diving deep into the hottest trends for 2025. Think sun-kissed light woods, crisp whites, and fabrics that dance in the summer breeze. If you're ready to transform your space into a fresh, airy sanctuary that screams summer elegance, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about farmhouse summer styling. I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for everything inside. And this summer, we're embracing what I call coastal farmhouse vibes. Picture this crisp whiteboard Dan batten siding paired with natural cedar accents that weather beautifully in the sun. The key is layering textures. Think whitewashed brick foundations with light oak shutters. Add oversized planters filled with white hydrangeas and lavender for that perfect summer contrast. Pro tip, choose semi-gloss white paint. For your siding, it reflects heat beautifully while maintaining that fresh, clean look that screams summer sophistication. Your entryway is where summer magic begins, and we're creating a space that feels like a gentle coastal breeze. Start with a light oak console table paired with a round rattan mirror. This combination brings warmth without heaviness. Install white shiplap wainscoting topped with simple peg rails for coats and summer hats. A woven jute runner adds texture while staying cool underfoot. Don't forget a white ceramic umbrella stand and a rustic wooden shoe cabinet painted in soft sage green, the secret sauce. Fresh white peonies in a mason jar and a vintage-style welcome sign in weathered wood. This summer, your living room becomes a sanctuary of calm with our light and airy approach. Picture a white slip-covered sofa adorned with linen throw pillows in soft blues and sage greens. These breed Hable fabrics are perfect for warm days. Pair this with a reclaimed light wood coffee table and whitewashed oak side tables. The magic happens in the details. Swap heavy curtains for white linen panels that filter sunlight beautifully. Add a jute area rug for texture and include plenty of white ceramic vases filled with fresh eucalyptus. This creates what designers call casual elegance, refined yet completely livable. Transform your dining space into a summer haven with our signature blend of rustic charm and fresh sophistication. A whitewashed farmhouse table becomes your canvas. Topped with a simple linen runner in natural flax, mix white ceramic dinnerware with light wood chargers for visual interest. The centerpiece, a long wooden tray filled with white pillar candles, fresh lemons, and sprigs of rosemary. Pair this with light oak Windsor chairs or white ladder back seating. Pro tip, hang a simple white chandelier with natural rope details above. It adds farmhouse character while keeping the space feeling open and airy. Your kitchen becomes a summer retreat with strategic updates that embrace our light and breezy theme. Paint existing cabinets in warm white or soft cream. Then add light oak butcher block countertops for warmth. Style your refrigerator with a vintage-inspired white finish. And consider a white farmhouse sink with an oil-rubbed bronze faucet. The coffee station gets special treatment. A light wood floating shelf displaying white ceramic. Mugs and a vintage-style espresso machine. Add open shelving in whitewashed wood to display summer ceramics and fresh herbs in mason jars. This creates what we call functional beauty. Every element serves a purpose while looking effortlessly chic. Create the perfect summer gathering spot by balancing technology with farmhouse charm. Mount your flat screen TV on a shiplap accent wall painted in soft white. Then add a light oak meteor console with woven basket storage. The seating arrangement features a white sectional with removable, washable covers, perfect for summer living. Add texture with a chunky knit throw in natural linen and pillows in various white textures. The key is creating what designers call layered neutrals, different shades and textures of white and natural tones that feel cohesive yet interesting. A vintage-style ceiling fan with light wood blades keeps things comfortable while adding farmhouse character. Design a workspace that feels more like a summer retreat than a traditional office. A simple white desk with light oak legs provides the perfect foundation. Paired with a white spindle chair cushioned in natural linen, add personality with a small vintage-style radio in cream enamel and a unique desk clock crafted from reclaimed wood. The storage solution. White floating shelves displaying woven baskets and fresh plants in white ceramic pots. Natural. Light is key. Dress windows with white Roman shades and breathable cotton. This approach creates what we call inspired productivity, a space that energizes rather than overwhelms. Perfect for summer work from home days. Every farmhouse needs a peaceful retreat, and your reading nook becomes the perfect summer escape. Position a comfortable white armchair with a light oak frame near a window, adding a soft linen throw and a round side table in whitewashed wood. The magic is in the details. A vintage-style floor lamp with a white linen shade, a small bookshelf painted in soft sage green, and a woven basket for storing summer reads. Add a small area rug in natural jute and include fresh white flowers. In a simple ceramic vase, this creates what designers call a quiet luxury moment. Simple, beautiful, and utterly relaxing. Transform your bedroom into a summer sanctuary with our signature light and airy approach. A white platform bed with light oak accents becomes your focal point. Dressed in crisp white linens with natural linen urishams, the nightstands feature whitewashed wood with simple white ceramic lamps and natural rope details. Create visual interest with a light oak accent wall behind the bed. Then add white floating shelves for styling. The window treatment, simple white linen curtains that filter morning light beautifully. Add a vintage-style white dresser with natural wood drawer pulls and a round mirror with a light wood frame. This creates what we call serene simplicity, peaceful and utterly refreshing. Your bathroom becomes a summer spa with thoughtful updates that embrace our light and natural theme. A white vanity with light oak countertops provides the perfect foundation, paired with a vintage-style white vessel sink and brushed brass fixtures. The shower area features white subway tiles with light oak accent strips, creating visual interest without overwhelming the space. Add a white ladder shelf for towel storage and include natural elements like a woven basket for toiletries. The mirror, a simple round design with a light wood frame, fresh white towels, a small plant in a white ceramic pot, and natural sea glass accents complete the look, creating what designers call organic elegance. Don't overlook your garage. It's the perfect opportunity to extend your farmhouse style into functional areas. Pan walls in crisp white and add light oak pegboard for tool storage that's both practical and beautiful. Install white metal shelving units with natural wood shelves for seasonal storage. The workbench features a light oak top with white painted base, providing a clean workspace that matches your home's aesthetic. Add vintage-style white pendant lights for task lighting and include a small area rug in natural jute to define the space. Storage bins in white with natural rope handles keep everything organized while maintaining that fresh summer farmhouse feel. Your patio becomes an outdoor room with our signature blend of comfort and style. White outdoor furniture with light wood accents creates the perfect seating arrangement. Cushioned and weather-resistant natural linen fabrics. Add a light oak outdoor dining table for al fresco meals, topped with a white umbrella for shade. The magic happens in the details. White ceramic planters filled with herbs and flowers. Vintage-style white lanterns for evening ambience. and a natural jute outdoor rug to define the space. String lights with white bulbs create perfect mood lighting, while a white outdoor console provides space for serving and styling. This creates what we call indoor-outdoor living, seamless and beautiful. Your garden becomes an extension of your interior design with thoughtful planning that embraces our light and natural theme. Create defined pathways using white gravel or light-colored stepping stones. Bordered by white painted wooden edging, the flower beds feature a palette of whites, greens, and soft blues. Think white hydrangeas, lavender, and sage plants. Add structure with white picket fencing and light wood arbors for climbing roses. The key is creating what landscapers call garden rooms, defined areas that flow naturally from your home's interior style, making the entire property feel cohesive and intentionally designed. Add the soothing sound of water to your summer farmhouse with a beautifully integrated fish pond or fountain. Choose a simple, rectangular design with white stone edging and natural wood accents that complement your home's aesthetic. Stock with white and gold and koi fish for movement and life. Surround the pond with white ceramic planters filled with water-loving plants like white water lilies and green hostas. Add a simple white bridge or stepping stones for visual interest. The lighting, subtle white LED strips hidden in the edging create magical evening ambience. This creates what landscape designers call a focal point, a beautiful feature that draws the eye and creates a sense of tranquility. Your lawn becomes a beautiful carpet that connects all your outdoor spaces with proper planning and maintenance. Choose a grass variety that stays green in summer heat. Then create definition with white painted wooden edging or natural stone borders. The pathways feature light-colored materials like white gravel, light sandstone, or whitewashed brick that complement your home's palette. Add interest with occasional stepping stones in natural wood or light stone. The key is creating what landscape architects call circulation patterns, clear pots that guide visitors through your space while maintaining that relaxed farmhouse feel. Regular maintenance keeps everything looking fresh and inviting. Transform your outdoor space into a magical evening retreat with thoughtfully placed lighting that enhances your farmhouse aesthetic. White lanterns in various sizes create ambient lighting along pathways and seating areas, while vintage-style white string lights add warmth to dining spaces. Consider solar-powered options for eco-friendly illumination. Add white post lights along your driveway and accent lighting in garden beds using white LED spotlights hidden among plants. The magic happens in layering. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting for a complete outdoor lighting scheme. This creates what lighting designers call outdoor rooms, spaces that are as functional and beautiful at night as they are during the day. Keep your farmhouse fresh all summer long with simple seasonal updates that don't require major changes. Early summer calls for fresh white flowers like peonies and roses, while midsummer embraces sunflowers and herbs in white ceramic containers. Late summer welcomes dried hydrangeas and wheat stalks for texture. The key is swapping out small accessories, throw pillows, flower arrangements, and table settings, while maintaining your core palette of whites and light woods. This approach, called seasonal layering by designers, keeps your space feeling fresh and current without constant renovation. Always choose natural materials that age beautifully and complement your established aesthetic. Create stunning farmhouse summer style on any budget with strategic updates that deliver maximum impact. Paint is your best friend. A gallon of white paint can transform cabinets, furniture, and walls instantly. Shop thrift stores and flea markets for vintage pieces that just need a fresh coat of white paint and new hardware. Dye projects like whitewashing wood furniture or creating rope-wrapped accessories add farmhouse charm for pennies. The secret is focusing on high-impact areas first: your entryway, living room focal wall, or kitchen backsplash. This approach, called strategic styling by budget decorators, proves that beautiful design is about creativity, not just spending money. Maintain your beautiful summer farmhouse style with simple care routines that protect your investment. White surfaces need regular cleaning with gentle, non-abrasive cleaners to maintain their fresh appearance. Light wood furniture benefits from occasional conditioning with natural oils to prevent drying and cracking. Fabric elements like curtains and cushions should be washed or cleaned regularly to maintain their crisp, fresh look. The key is creating what home maintenance experts call preventive care, regular small tasks that prevent major problems. Seasonal deep cleaning and minor touch-ups keep everything looking showroom fresh, ensuring your farmhouse maintains that beautiful, lived-in elegance all summer long. What an incredible journey we've shared today. From sun-kissed exteriors to serene bedrooms, we've explored how light woods, crisp whites, and breezy fabrics can transform your entire home into a summer sanctuary. Remember, Farmhouse style is about creating spaces that feel both beautiful and livable, places where memories are made and life is truly enjoyed. The magic happens when you blend these timeless elements with your personal style, creating a home that's uniquely yours. I hope you're feeling inspired to try some of these ideas in your own space. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House for more design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and share your farmhouse transformations in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating beautiful spaces that make your heart happy.